Hey everyone, today I'll show you two quick Excel tips: how to increase cell size in Excel and how to freeze multiple rows and columns in Excel in one easy method. Let's get started. First, let's learn how to increase cell size in Excel. To make a row taller, place your cursor between the row numbers on the left, then click and drag down. To make a column wider, drag the border between the column letters at the top. You can also select multiple rows or columns before dragging if you want to resize them all at once. Simple and quick. Now let's look at how to freeze multiple rows and columns in Excel. Click in the cell just below the rows and to the right of the columns you want to keep visible. Then go to View, then Freeze Panes again. Now the rows above and columns to the left will stay on screen as you scroll. This is super useful when working with big spreadsheets. And that's it! You now know how to increase cell size in Excel and how to freeze multiple rows and columns in Excel the easy way. Like and subscribe, and tell me what Excel tutorial you want next.